So to start off, we got this motherboard. It's a ASRock B550M Pro SE. It doesn't come with any Wi-Fi. We got a Wi-Fi card separately. For the CPU, I went with the AMD Ryzen 5 5500. So I got this one at a PC parts store near me because the first CPU I ordered from Amazon came with broken pins, so I had to send it back. And for the CPU cooler, we were using the stock cooler. All this was 82 US dollars. For the RAM, I went with the Corsair Vengeance white RAM and 2 sticks of 8 gigabytes on Amazon. It was $36. For the SSD, I just took it out of one of my old laptops. This one has 500 gigabytes, but you can probably find one on Amazon for $30. So for the case I got, it's a Corsair 3000D Airflow, and it came with 2 fans. It was $58 when I bought it, but now it is $86 on Amazon. The power supply is an MSA mag, and it comes with 550 watts. It was $47 on Amazon. The graphics card is a Maxon AMD Radeon RX 580, 8 gigabytes, and it was $97 on Amazon. It was the cheapest white graphics card I could find on there, so The Wi-Fi card was 20 bucks, and I just got it from Best Buy. So this was the first time I tried turning it on, and I was scared it wouldn't work, but it finally did. So let's try some Minecraft. I'm getting 600 FPS, around 650. And if I make the screen smaller, I'm getting around 1400 FPS. Now for Fortnite, I'm getting around 150 FPS in game. And yesterday I was getting around 220, but I don't know what happened. But yeah, it's playable. If I lowered the 3D graphics and all that, I will probably get like 250 FPS, but this is alright. And finally, for Halo Infinite, I'm getting around 50 to 60 FPS. All the graphics and all the settings are on default. So I don't know if I lower the settings, maybe I'll get more FPS, but this is alright. So these are all the parts I used, and these are all the benchmarks I got.